Hey guys, welcome back to my channel this evening. Dance Mum here. I have a little packing video for you guys today utilizing my JuJuBe Mini Be, and inside I have a backpack bag insert. It's called the BagBago. If you watched my unboxing, Amazon unboxing that I did the other day, you saw me when I got this little insert, and I mentioned that I wanted to try it out in the Mini Be, and I have had some requests to go ahead and do that, so I thought I would give it a go this evening. This is the Toki Pops Mini Be by JuJuBe and Tokidoki. It packed as a diaper bag using that insert. I also have another Mini Be with me, which is the Rosy Posy, and that's what I'm going to bring tomorrow when I go out just myself. I'm meeting my aunt for just a girls' day out, and I'm going to use the same insert but just packed as a mom bag. So I thought I would show you guys two different ways that you could use this insert. I personally don't really prefer using the Mini Be as a diaper bag. I find it a little bit too squishy. I just can't get it to work for me. But I thought I would just show you guys how I could use the insert with everything that I normally take in my bag. I was able to fit it into the Mini Be, which normally I'm not able to if I wasn't using the insert, if that makes any sense. So let's go ahead and get started showing you guys how I have this packed. This is packed for my 2-year-old, of course, and myself. So in the front pocket here in the Mini Be, I just have my iPhone 8 Plus. And I also have a mini wipe pouch with some antibacterial wipes. There are bottle pockets on each side of the Mini Be. In this one, I would normally have my keys. They're just downstairs at the moment. But in this side here, I do have my hand sanitizer as well as my mints. So that's it for the outside of this little backpack. It does come with a nice grab handle and memory foam backpack straps, and it is quite comfortable to carry as an adult. I have to say, I'm 5'9" and I have no problems carrying this. My 4-year-old can carry it fine, even my 2-year-old, and all the way up to my 12-year-old. So it's a really versatile little mini bag. So they do open on both sides. And the bag is gusseted, which is nice. So as you can probably tell, this is packed pretty full. So when you open it up like this, there are gussets, as I said, which is nice, so things don't fall out. But if you're using this insert, you'll find that it's really handy because things will just not fall out, period. So the only thing that I could fit in here for my daughter entertainment-wise is in this little beanie bib holder. I kind of keep these. And in here I have the little boogie board drawing thing that I got the other day, and of course my kids have already lost the pencil that comes with it, so I found an old little stylus from a I think it's a Samsung Note, and this actually works on it. I don't know if you can see that. It works on it just fine, so that's kind of handy. So I figured I'd just pop these two things in this little pouch. On this side here I just have a medium set piece, and this is my snack medium set piece, again in Toki Pops. I thought it's kind of fitting to use this print because it is kind of, you know, it's all donuts and food. So here is all the snack bags and stuff that I have. There's a zipper back here in the Mini Be, the back of the bag, and in here I just have my Tokidoki coin purse with my brush and hair ties and such in there. So we have the insert here, and it does fit very nicely into the Mini Be. I was really impressed on how well it fits in, and this is unclipped, so this insert can actually be clipped shut on each side to make it more compact, but I have it completely unclipped. So I'll just show you what I've got underneath it. So I'm just gonna pop this out right here like this. So that's what it looks like next to the Mini Be. In the bottom of the bag here, I just put my daughter's change of clothes. So I wanted to try to fit everything in. So this is just her size 3 shirt, size 3 shorts, and everything else I managed to fit in this cute little insert. Okay, so there's pockets in the front here, and I was able actually to fit in my small set piece in chrome, which is like my mommy med kit essentials in there. And I had to kind of squeeze it in. I don't have this completely packed though, so if you had a small set piece completely packed, you may not be able to fit it in there, but I was able to kind of squeeze it in like this, and that worked out well. There is a zipper here. Just to let you know, I don't have anything in there. You could probably actually kind of fit this mini wipe pouch in there like this. And then, but it does, then everything kind of gets squished up. You know, I don't know how that would fit into the bag, but you could have put that in there. We'll do these top pockets first up here. So they're little tiny top pockets, but I was able to fit a coin purse in the top here, which just has my disposable baggies wet bag in there. And then in this other one here, I just put my lipstick and lip crayon. Going into the center here, I do have my Y pouch 30 count. And I don't know if you can see there, but that was actually slipped into, there's a pocket right here in the insert, and that was slipped in there. So in the center bit, I have my Kate Spade Cameron Street Lacy wallet. And I just love this. I was using this today and I just love it. It's so pretty. I'll do a review on this down the road, and because I have noticed a few things about it that I want to mention, but so far I'm just loving it. It's such a nice feeling wallet. It's so nice and smooth with the zippers. It fits everything. The cards slide in and out really well. So far I'm pretty impressed with this one. Alright, so if you look into the little insert like that, you've got an elastic pocket on this side, and then you've also got one on this side, and I was actually able to fit in my thermos funtainer in that pocket because it kind of comes out more than this side, so that was handy. The front here, there are two little elastic pockets in front of this little other pocket right here. There is a longer elastic pocket right here. I was able to fit 2 size 5 disposable diapers in there, and then I was able to put my light change pad kind of squished in the back there as well with the nappies. Just kind of fold it up into thirds and pop that in there. So that's what it looks like empty. See there? And there are some pockets on the back here as well. This is, I guess, a key ring, so you could attach your keys to it right there. And then you have an elastic little pocket here, and then another little zip pocket. So I guess these are kind of cool if you've got like coins or little things that you want to kind of pop back here. Maybe some tissues. You could put some tissues back there, a little packet of tissues. And maybe just some, you could even put your lipstick and stuff back here too if you've got a small enough lipstick. So that's the insert there. So that was packed as a diaper bag. Now I have my Rosy Posy Mini Be, and I love using this as a mom bag. So what I was going to do for tomorrow is just pack this up very similar to how I had it as a diaper bag, but just take out a few things, obviously. I always take my antibacterial wipes with me. So I was just going to pop those back in that elastic pocket that normally had the diapers in it. And I'll put my lipstick and lip crayon in there as well. I do have a lip gloss, I'm just not sure where that is at the moment, but that will go right there. And then I would put my wallet just in the middle here, like I had before. I always take my small set piece with me everywhere I go, so I'm going to pop that back in here again. And I probably would take a Funtainer similar to this, or swirl bottle, so I'll just kind of pop that in there so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. That. I love little elastic pockets that keep my bottles nice and secure so they don't roll around the bag. Okay, so I'm just going to pop that into the Mini Be. This is a beautiful print. I love, 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 love Rosy Posy. So I'm going to pop my hairbrush and hair ties and stuff back in this back pocket. Rosy Posy back pocket here is shorter. Some of the classic prints I've noticed they've done that with, so I just have to lay that down that way. Okay, so just pop this in here like this. That. I am going to put my mints probably up here as well. And sanitizer I might actually put inside of the bag in this little elastic pocket on the side here. Of course, my phone is in and out of the bag constantly, so that would go most likely in this pocket right here. So yeah, so that's it. So I know it's kind of it might be a little bit overkill, but it keeps things from rolling around the bag, and it's not that much of a weight kind of gain to the bag. I think it looks really good. It's really easy to access stuff as well. So when you zip that up, there you go. Looks really pretty. I usually keep my keys, as I said before, in these pockets here, the side pockets here, to make it really easy to get to. So there is my little overview and packing of the BagBago or Bag Backpack Insert. I will put the link below for you guys to check that out from Amazon. They're very reasonably priced, and I think it is a nifty little insert to use if you wanted to use it for a nappy bag or even as a mom bag. I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. Please give me a comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you for my next one. Have a good night, guys. Bye.